leaking, dude. Oh my God, it froze my finger. What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. You probably clicked on this video because we have the Teo. We have brought the Chinese four-wheeler out today. We got Seth with us.
Flammable, apparently.
And in this video, we have the Galaxy Gas. We are installing this Galaxy Gas onto the mini Teo to see if it likes it or not. See what happens. I've seen a couple people put this on mini bikes. Never seen anybody put it on an actual mini quad. So we already have everything ran from a previous video where we put actual nitrous on it. Galaxy Gas is pretty much the same thing. It has NOS inside of it. It's just flavored. So when I was ordering this stuff, I was like, what would go better than the blue raspberry? So that's what we got. We got the blue ras right there. Matches with the four-wheeler. We already have the NOS ran right over here. Basically just have to pop the hose off and somehow fit it onto that can and zip tie it all up there. And then we have nitrous. And then we're gonna go make some test pass, some test runs, and test this thing out to see exactly what happens. What do you think is gonna happen, man? Do you think it's gonna survive?
I hope we don't blow it up like last time. Well, blow it up like last time, but it survived that, so to be sure it can survive this. You know what I'm saying? You don't hold it wide open. I'm assuming. Not unless you're planning on doing that, right?
Yep, so yeah, we're holding it wide open. So that's exactly what we plan on doing. Hopefully it takes it, hopefully that it likes it. And yeah, let's go ahead and figure out a way to mount this thing up here because it's gonna be really hard. There's not really a good place. This is a big tank and it actually has a lot of weight to it. This thing is pretty heavy. So we gotta figure out a good place to mount it up here. I'm thinking we're gonna mount it somewhere around this area.
Right here?
Yeah, maybe might zip tie it somewhere right there because the thing is, it's weird. It's not like the actual NOS kit. The actual NOS kit has a button that I had mounted right here that you just push in and it hits it. This one, you kind of got to like twist the little thing. Yeah, you got to twist it like that. It doesn't have a button. We got to figure out the best way to do that while I can hold on to this thing. But let's go ahead and figure out a way to mount it and put it on the bike. All right, so to mount this thing onto the handlebars, we're going to need some zip ties. It's not a permanent mod that we're putting on the four-wheeler, so we kind of got to rig it up. So we're going to use a little mini zip ties. That's what we're going to use. And y'all are probably wondering what Galaxy Gas is. So Galaxy Gas is what a bunch of young kids and a bunch of people have been inhaling.
Galaxy Gas, Galaxy Gas, Galaxy Gas.
I saw it on TikTok. It was a popular video, and I just wanted to see if Minneapolis had some.
Whatever you do, don't inhale this stuff, guys. This is terrible. This right here is killing your brain cells. The only thing it is made for is to be put on mini Chinese four-wheelers. It's not made for anything else.
Not turning your brains into whipped cream.
It's not even worth it over some blue raspberry Galaxy Gas. It's so stupid. Actually, that should probably work.
Yeah, I think I like that idea way better than having it resting on the fender.
Then we're gonna roll with that. We might make some minor adjustments depending on how hard it is to turn. Because it almost seems like you do like a full turn and it's not open all the way. And we want to fully send this thing.
We're gonna send it till we're out of gas, or?
Yeah, we're gonna send it to us out of Galaxy Gas, or we're gonna send it to the motor quiz.
Whoever thought of even inhaling Galaxy Gas in the first place? Like, who was the one guy that was like,
Blue raspberry, let me try it. Like, dude.
Wait, does this come flavored to flavor the like whipped cream, or does it come flavored to inhale it?
Yeah, it comes with, like, it flavors the whipped cream, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't know, I'm not like a Galaxy Gas expert or anything, but
it says do not inhale on the bottom too.
Yeah.
On the other side, I think.
Somewhere right here, food and beverage additive for culinary use only. Whatever that means. Oh yeah, and then look, nitrous oxide right there. We're here to pump it into our motor, not our brains. So now we just gotta figure out how to get this hose up here. Hopefully it's big enough. That's what I was worried about, but that's fine. There's a trick for it. You just gotta go find your daddy's lighter. Peek this bad boy up right here, and then it'll expand. It's like still some nitrous left in it from last time.
Do we have any bigger tubing?
Might be able to rob something off the parts four-wheeler. Let's see if we have any bigger tubing.
Beep, 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 bop, beep, bop, bop.
All right, so I think that we found a hose that is gonna work. It should be big enough. I think we still gotta heat it up to put it up there. We're gonna have to rig it up a little bit. I think we're still gonna have to tape it, zip tie it, put some clamps around it, because there is a bunch of pressure in the line. So yeah, let's go ahead and rig it up and put it up there. Oh yeah, oh that's gonna work. Oh yeah, oh that's perfect. That right there is beautiful. Oh, I need to tie that down a little better. All right, actually, that worked out great. All right, I guess we're not gonna clamp it.
Back to the zip tie idea?
Back to the zip tie and the tape. That's how we're gonna seal it off with good old electrical tape. Alrighty, man. I think that with like 2 zip ties, it's probably gonna be the move. Oh yeah.
That was a lot.
Bang. Just like that. We have Galaxy Gas on the four-wheeler.
Crank her up. Let's see what happens.
Let's fire it up. Let's see if she'll take it at idle. She took the blue raz, baby. We gotta modify it a little bit. No one turned too good. There we go. Right there. That's where we need her. It's a little hard to get to. It's a little hard to turn it, but we're gonna make it work, man. All right, now let's go ahead, slap on the helmet, slap on the GoPros, and let's go ahead and take this thing down the street to see exactly what it does. Third gear pin, and see if it takes the nitrous. Like turn it,
yeah.
You can just take the hose.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and it hits. It's leaking, dude. Oh my god, it froze my finger.
Where's it leaking out of? Just a straight up nozzle area?
Oh my god. Yeah. It froze the hose, dude. Look. Dude, I went to grab my finger and it froze my finger. What? Dang,
through the glove?
Oh yeah, look, it's just freezing the pipe. Look at it. It's working though. I can definitely tell it's working. Can you hear it when I hit it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
like
it does like
turbo.
I kind of want to do a speed app. See the difference maybe? Like top speed wise? I'll say we did a speed app one time, then probably get up out of here. Dang dude, I hate that thing's frozen.
Is it brittle? Like,
it ain't brittle, it's just hard as a brick. Cause like I saw it like spurting out of it and I was like, what the heck? And I went to grab it and like, bro, it froze my finger. It was kind of killing me there for a second, but I don't know, it's all good. They gotta have gloves on, dude. It would've been bare finger, that would've been bad. That's not half bad. 42.3 miles per hour.
What was it hitting before?
37. It gained 5 miles per hour just off of that.
Damn.
That's crazy.
That is good.
So it's got to have a decent amount more horsepower. And I didn't even hold it for that long.
It just gives it more revs.
And no smoke out of the exhaust.
Yeah, it's still running perfectly fine. I'm highly impressed.
Let me drive a boat.
You want to hit the Galaxy Gas on
Who
it?
wants to drive the boat?
Look, max speed 42.3 miles per hour.
Oh
That
wow.
is freaking insane.
That is really good.
We gained 5 miles an hour off of that. That's freaking crazy. I just wish I could have held it longer, man.
Yeah, we need like a really long straight road to do.
Yeah, I wish I could have held it a little longer. I wish it wasn't as, you know, just bouncy everywhere. And to be honest with you, I don't think it was a 100% full hit. Like, it was hitting, don't get me wrong. It was freaking hitting.
Oh yeah.
But it wasn't its full potential. I just hate that them people were down there. Didn't want to get disturbed, but... Oh yeah! What's up?
You care if I surf it?
Oh yeah, I don't care.
Can the tires hold it?
It should, yeah.
Should.
I mean, they're brand new. Should work.
It's
I mean,
wide,
like
it's gonna be
the-
hard to do it.
I mean, like the hooks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I have trust issues, so.
Oh yeah.
old enough to walk.
Yo! Crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that was good, bro. You were hitting. That was nice. That was actually very impressive.
It's hard to steer this thing.
I feel it, yeah.
Center of gravity is like way high.
I know, that's why I'm surprised you did it as good as you did on this thing.
I'm gonna see if I can turn around this way.
Yeah, that's a star button. Try not to eat shit. I
I'm
don't
gonna see
care.
if I can turn around against the lane.
Watch out, he can't really steer. Oh wait, no, he can.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Gotta be careful on the dirt.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Now do that and hit the Galaxy Gas.
Fact. No. Now you got me wanting to try it, man. I'm probably gonna eat shit, dude. Oh yeah! Landing up. I don't know how you caught it so straight though.
Gotta lean harder.
Dude, it just feels like it's gonna sweep out from under me.
You saw me turning this way.
Yeah, I know, but man, that's
You just gotta lean,
sketch.
bud. Lean hard.
I mean, good thing it's not too heavy, so the balls on top of it is bound to be okay.
Oh, okay, I got it. Oh, yeah. Got it. It wasn't as good as yours. I kind of feel it. Got it? Yeah. I'm tired already, man. That was fun, though.
It's hard though. Basically, like,
Oh, yeah.
I got bad wrists anyway, so this makes it worse.
No, that was impressive, dude. Like, when you went all the way down there and turned it around, I don't know how you're turning back into it. I'm not going to be able to hit the Galaxy Gas, though.
Oh no, definitely not.
I kind of want you to hit the Galaxy Gas while I'm doing it, and then just, shut it off.
Okay, I can try.
You ready?
Yep. Dude.
Well, it took it.
Well, what you think?
I think I'm in love with China, man. This
Oh.
thing's great, dude.
Can-
This thing is
can-
freaking great. I mean, it held up phenomenally.
Oh yeah.
Honestly. To be honest with you, bro, it really couldn't have done any better besides the 2 times that it spit and sputtered a little bit.
Yeah, 'cause that's about as much as it could take.
But we could have been overloading it. It could have been leaking up here like it was before. Something could have been off. I mean, I don't know. The pipe, the line could have been frozen.
Oh yeah.
I mean, dude, even if you feel it right now, it's still kind of cold. Like,
Oh wow, yeah.
yeah, it's still a little cold. So, dude, it's a ripper. 10 out of 10. I like it. It was great. Even the little burnout we did right there, dude. It went. I mean, all my weight was on the front hitting it, but without the Galaxy Gas, it would spin them and stay. As soon as you hit the Galaxy
It
Gas,
took
that thing
off
was,
with you on the front end. It
Yeah,
was
dude.
pushing you, yeah.
that thing was taking off in the ditch. So, I don't know. It's great, dude. Do I think it's worth $40 to slap on something that you really don't care if you blow up? 100%.
Oh yeah.
And the power gain that we got out of it is honestly insane if you think about it. I mean, this little 125cc Chinese four-wheeler is hitting almost 43 miles an hour. And I don't even think we really had the full potential out of it.
Oh.
So that's pretty insane. Before we even had the Galaxy Gas up there, and before we got this nitrous to work, it was topping out at like 37 point something. It wouldn't even hit 38, and we had it pinned for a minute. Get an extra 5 or 6 miles per hour out of this thing is insane for an extra $40. Literally, it's hard to tell in the video because, you know, like, we edit and chop these videos up, but like, dude, it took us all of what, maybe 10 minutes?
Oh yeah, to fix it up. Well, after we have to find that wire and everything.
Yeah, and I mean, that was us finding parts and taping it together and cleaning the hose up that we got off the parts bike.
Mhm.
Dude, it took us like 10 or 15 minutes to do it. And it's up there. I just wish there was a better design, like a button that we could get. That would be a whole lot better than twisting this thing. But obviously it's not made for this. I like it. I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I really do. Comment down below if we should keep the mini NOS kit or if we should keep the Galaxy Gas. Obviously, the mini NOS kit is a lot better design, it functions a lot better, and it's actually made for it. Rather than the Galaxy Gas is kind of rigged up, not really made for it, but it did work out really well. But yeah, let us know what you think down in the comment section below, and also any ideas that y'all have. What videos do y'all want to see, man?
Galaxy Gas and the Drag Banshee.
That's gonna be a while. We have to get the Drag Banshee running right first. We gotta figure that out. I've been talking to some people. I'm gonna try to find some connections with people that know a lot about drag racing, and we're gonna go over that bike and see what we can make happen. Oh yeah, also, if you guys were wondering why we didn't use any of the GoPro footage from this video, unfortunately, I really don't know what happened, but when I went to plug in my mic on the GoPro, apparently it wasn't plugged in all the way, and we had no audio, so it didn't pick up any audio, even from the media mod, the microphone, or nothing. We had zero audio on all of the GoPro footage, and this had me really heated in the moment, but we made the most that we can out of the shots that we got with the main camera, so here's just a few more clips of what we did today, but I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what we should do next, and also if we should keep the Galaxy Gas on the four-wheeler or if we should stick with the NOS kit. Let us know down below. Hope you have a great day. Peace.
I've got a rebel soul.